wabarakatuh. Here is Dr. SAEED REDA from Knowledge YouTube channel, and this is teeth section. We will make today class 3 preparation. It's pretty much different from any class we did, so be focusing today and come with me. We will draw our center incisor and the tooth adjacent to it to know how we will make the outline and start our preparation. This is from lingual. Here is the contact between both teeth. This incisor wall, the incisor wall of our preparation. We will start it from the half of the distance of the. We will start our incisor wall of the preparation from the half distance of this contact here, and beneath it 2 milli. The gingival wall will be here. This is our outline from the lingual side. Incisal wall, gingival wall. Now we will draw the proximal view to know the outline from it. Cervical line, incisal wall here, gingival wall here, and this is the half line in the proximal. This is this part from here equal to this, and this equal to this. This is not equal to this, obviously, but this is the line in the contact between the adjacent tooth. We will into it our preparation from here. We will extend by the fissure or by inverted or round from here facially until we reach this area. This is all enamel. We will remove it by our preparation. Hopefully I make it clear for you, and see the video to know the detailed way for our preparation in lab. One last point, the dimensions. From here mesially or from here distally, entering like this is called axial depth, or from here this also axial depth. In class 3 it will be 1 milli to 1.5 number between those. Is something called facial depth. It goes from here to here lingually to the facial surface here in this direction. It will be in class 3 2 millimeter. Now we will begin to draw the outline, but first we will need to draw contact line between both these. This line has a significance to facilitate drawing the outline of class 3, as you will see now. We will draw a line horizontally extend from half distance of the contact line we drew first, and we will draw below it by 2 milli a gingival line horizontally also resembles the gingival wall, and the first line we drew horizontally is resembling the incisal wall of our outline of class 3 preparation. The incisal wall and gingival wall will extend from 1 millimeter to 1.5 millimeter in width. We will make the preparation in depth by 2 millimeter, different from all classes. This is outline from lingual surface, what we will draw from proximal. We will draw proximal line like this, and the facial extension, facial depth of preparation will be end to this line. This is proximal line of the contact, will be end to it like this. We will extend incisal wall, not extend from incisal wall, but the incisal wall outline will extend to it, and the gingival wall outline that we draw, the lines we draw will extend in the proximal surface until reach the proximal line that we draw like this. We will use round bear to gain access as usual, and put it 90 degree to axial line of tooth, and we will make a hole. After gaining access, this is what we have, a hole. We will use inverted now to extend the cavity laterally, and maybe go in depth by this inverted. Yes, we can use inverted to go in depth as usual. Be careful during extension to preserve the tooth structure, and also when you go to the proximal contact, we will leave a shelf tooth structure to protect the adjacent tooth from the burr. We will see this in the video when we reach to this point, but now we still have to extend in this direction. We will begin to remove the shell between both teeth, like this. Continuing our removing slightly to preserve tooth structure. And finally we have a weak tooth structure between both teeth. Still have to work, but we surely finish this. Now, using a probe to destroy or to remove this gel, like this, easily, very easy. And we will continue our preparation, but first we remove any roughness by this probe. We will use verted to round the angles. Still working now. Finishing our cavity, smoothing floor, roundation angle, the angle of walls, all will be good. Now using probe to determine the depth, it's, as you see, 2 milli in facial depth. Another look, we have finished lingual side, and also from the proximal. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and turn on notifications for new videos. Wait for it.